Fighter will punch body, knee body, the same side, step outside with the knee leg, and then slide elbow.
One, you knee, two, and step, and you elbow. Please stop. One punch, body, knee body, and elbow.
Fighters should perform technique quickly. This will result in numerous knockouts.
This has been many KO. Yes. You punch head, and knee body, you elbow. Or you want punch body, knee body, elbow. This is one, This is one. And you fight quickly, one.
First, throw a straight punch. Next, uppercut. Then step out to low kick. Fighter has to take outside step. If the fighter fails to take a step, opponent will be in range to counter.
Maybe you lose KO, you not lose step. It's 1-2. Stop. 1-2.
Again, remember to take outside step so opponent cannot counter.
Stop. 1-2. Stop. 1-2. 1-2. 1-2.
When the fighter throws a head kick, opponent will lean back. Then return with a front kick before bringing the leg back down.
Stop. Kick. Front kick. Stop. You kick up. Kick and front kick. Bring it up. Stop. You kick up. Kick. Kick.
Fighter will first throw body kick and opponent will block. Fighter will then fake body kick and step past opponent's blocking leg. With your same side arm, push across the opponent's body and at the same time trip opponent.
Stop. Kick. Block you. It's next. You fake.
When the fighter fakes kick and steps, make sure you step past opponent for sweep to be effective.
So this too far. Cannot do this. But you see this. Step this one. And up. Push. Take down. Swat. Yes. This. One car bong there. One. Next one.
This technique works well against tall fighters. In the clinch, fighter wants to have inside control. When opponent throws knee, fighter will block by lifting leg and resting it on opponent's inner thigh. Fighter will then pull himself above opponent's head and down elbow.
Stop.
Block knee, pull yourself above opponent's head and down elbow.
Stop. Squeeze. I things. I things. I up. Up. Back. Squeeze. I things. I